Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you about how to enable one-click trading right here on ThinkMarkets. It's very simple to find this option, and when we enable this option you need to be careful because you can manage options and things in just one click. So if you want to do this, we go right here to the enable one-click trading mode. So we click on this and then we do activate, and then right now we can do on one-click trading. So right now if you click right here on this, we buy it, but normally you buy it because right now the market is closed. So this is a place where you can do it, but let's go to crypto. If you click now right here to select how many lots you want to step in with, and you click right here on buy, boom, you immediately create yourselves a position. So this is what one-click trading is. So if you want to turn it off, select right here, and now we are back at not trading it in one click. So this is exactly what you need to know, and hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.